Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So from tomorrow, that is 2nd of May, I'm starting a new series onto my channel, and that is the complete machine learning series. So this will be a sort of a series into which you'll be getting to learn about machine learning from the very basics up to an advanced level, like all the Python stuffs, then coming mathematical stuffs, further moving on to machine learning algorithms, the models, each and everything is going to be covered onto absolutely detailed manner. So from tomorrow, this playlist is starting out. It will be the videos will be coming on 10 a.m. in the morning every day from Monday to Saturday, or I would say from Monday to Friday, because Saturdays are the live stream. So from Monday to Friday continuously we'll be having up the videos regarding the machine learning and the series for that. So stay tuned and let's study machine learning together from the tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the morning. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.